Hello everyone. Today's topic is presentation tools. So without further ado, let's get started. What is presentation? Well, in layman terms, presentation means to present an activity or to express your ideas, point of view in public or to an audience or persuade the audience to take certain decision. Well, presentation means to present yourself in front of a certain public to make them believe in the information or the data you want to present, just like those MRs which present their products in front of you so that you purchase it. But Computer Sense presentation program is a software that helps us to display the information in the form of a slideshow. It has three major functions: an editor that allows text to be inserted and formatted, a method for inserting and manipulating graphic images, a slideshow system to display the content. Well, when we talk in the old times, तो presentation बहुत simple होती थी. It used to be made through slides and projector होता था जो उसको display करता था. And also it was handled by only technicians, and it was a very hard working task of preparing a presentation. But today the presentation tools in the market are so much easy to use and are so effective that the viewers, the users are much attracted to the presentation, just like the students. अगर presentation tools नहीं होते, variety of presentation tools नहीं होते, तो आज online learning, even the online business wouldn't have been so successful as they are at present. And also the presentation tools in today's scenario is a very part and parcel of life. और वैसे भी the past presentation was just about slides कि slides बनाई, simple text डाला थोड़ा सा या फिर थोड़ी सी images डाल दी. But today the presentation has taken a new turn. It involves animated clips. It involves the GIFs to be added. So it has taken a really great turn in today's time, and there is a lot of competition even in these tools to use. As you can see in the slide also, there is Canva, Powtoon, Emaze, Google Slide, Prezi, PowerPoint presentation, which is very oldest presentation tool. Are many other presentation tools as well in the market, and you need not to have a graphic designing degree or you need to be a graphic designer to make a perfect presentation. Even a child can make a presentation with these advanced softwares. Effective way of teaching. It is the most effective way of presenting your product. Online presentations, the presentation tools are really important in today's life. We can add animation images, hyperlinks, so that the viewers have direct reach to the video we want to show or to the clip we want to show. Then there we can add sound also. It helps in breaking large chunks of information into short visuals through really good graphics. And it is also very easy to understand. Even today students are enjoying online presentations which are formed. Now comes the app. The first app is VideoScribe. It helps in creating engaging content to tell a story through whiteboard style animations. What are its merits? It is very flexible, easy to use. Simulated hand drawings feel very personal. The demerits: it requires very fast internet to show video through WebEx. File size of finished video is large. Large projects can be challenging to manage. Well, you see those cartoon whiteboard animations. Also, the animation which was there in the starting of this video, that is also made by one of a great tool, that is Powtoon. VideoScribe does the same work. It also makes such great content. जहाँ पे cartoons होते हैं वो they tell the concept. Well, it is very flexible to use. Once you get hands on it, it becomes very easy to use it. But one of the major demerits of such tools is that it requires huge good quality Wi-Fi. You cannot use these tools with your mobile data packs. Also, the finished files are of large size, and you cannot make large projects through them. Only short concepts can be made with the help of these tools. Like if you want to tell students about a poem, or you want to tell students about the concept of pollution, जो concept ही बता सकता है. You cannot teach students through such tools, but yeah, you can tell the major concepts through such tools. Next app is Piktochart. It shows it shows the infographics. It does not require great knowledge like graphic designers. Anybody can use it to show those pie charts, those graphs. It has the same merits. It is easy to use, allows the quick editing and pre-built templates to choose from. There are great amount of templates which you can choose from. What are its demerits? Only one-page graphic summary, not very interactive from audience perspective. It is only one-page graphic. You cannot make multi-pages to it. You cannot add pages to it. Next tool is Powtoon. Allow users to create animated presentations by manipulating pre-created objects, imported images, provides music and user-created voiceovers. Pros: fun visuals to choose from, captivating animations, able to get moving quickly within the tool. The demerits: many steps to get animation started, timing animations can be time consuming. Well, this is a very major drawback of every such tool, that it requires a huge time. Well, if you are a beginner, just expect that आपको 1 to 2 hours लग जाएंगे इसको सीखने में पहले, because it is really very new concept and it requires a lot of patience. But yes, the video clip which you saw in the starting was made by the Powtoon app. You can use pre-created images, the imported images, to add voiceovers to them, just like the cartoon which says hello everyone. It is very captivating. Also, Powtoon is used by many teachers to create poems. अब जो आप poems देखते हो, इतनी अच्छी इतनी सुंदर उनमें characters होते हैं, even the background is so beautiful. It is all done by Powtoon like apps. And it is really great to teach students, especially very young students, so that to make them learning a very fun process. Next is Canva. Canva allows a user to select and drop themes, background objects, text onto your canvas to create visual slides or infographics. Pros: easily create slides and infographics, over 1 million high quality images, plenty of best practices templates, can upload own material as well. Cons: no slideshow feature, does not work over WebEx, better images cost $1 per images. Well, Canva is a best substitute to PowerPoint presentation. I have used this Canva to make many slides, and it has really great options like templates, elements. You can add gifs to your slides. That it is available in this app itself. You don't have to import the images also if you wish to, because the major drawback in this Canva is that the good images, you can say, जो बहुत अच्छी images हैं वो they are of $1, that are not of free of cost. तो अगर आपको उसके लिए अगर आपको import करना पड़ेगा if you want to use another picture. Otherwise जो इनके अंदर जो free of cost images है वो भी अच्छी हैं, and it has lot of themes. You can make YouTube thumbnails through it, posters, then presentations, then you can even make the scrapbook through Canva. It is really very good app. Next, after PowerPoint presentation, it is the best substitute to PowerPoint presentation, and people are using Canva more than any other tool of presentations today. You can create even animated images through it. Well, again to say, you need to be patient at first, but Canva is much easier than Powtoon or the video scribe app. Also other whiteboard animation apps. Canva is very easy to use. Also, but one of the biggest drawback of this app is that you have to have very good Wi-Fi. ये mobile data पे बिल्कुल नहीं चलेगा. It will stutter a lot. Also, it takes a lot of time, especially जो हम कोई video app या कोई GIFs डालते हैं तो इसको save करने में बहुत time लगता है, because it uses really good amount of internet. The app which is being used in India very much. Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation graphics software developed by Microsoft. It is an integral part of Microsoft Office suite of applications. PowerPoint is used to create and display beautiful presentations that include text, pictures, charts, diagrams, audio, video, and animated special effects. Well, PowerPoint is the most classic tool. Now comes the components of Microsoft PowerPoint, that is title bar. It displays the name of presentation which you are currently working on. It tells about the title. Then a quick access toolbar. It shows all the options of autosave, or you want to do whatever. Then next comes the ribbon. It has the options which will help you to make your presentation better, or insert pictures, videos, links, also to add new slides. Then there is tab which shows cut copy or cut copy paste. The office button of Microsoft Office 2007 has been replaced by the file tab. जो office के name से था button अब वो file tab से replace कर दिया गया है. Then next is where you make the presentation. The left side of the window is called the slide panes, जहाँ पे आपको thumbnails दिखेंगे आपकी slides के जो आपने बनाए हैं. Then it as seen slides tab, जहाँ पे आपको आपके thumbnails दिखेंगे. Then comes the outline tab. Outline tab displays the text content of each slide. You can edit your text directly in the outline view also. नोट्स पेन, यहाँ पे आप अपने नोट्स लिख सकते हो जो आपने करंट स्लाइड्स में डालने हैं, या फिर आपने करंट स्लाइड में के जो नोट्स हैं वो डाल सकते हो. देन कम्स द एनिमेशंस, जो एनिमेशंस जो कूल बना देती है आपके स्लाइड्स को, स्लाइड शो को, वो हम यहाँ से डाल सकते हैं. थीम्स हम चूज़ कर सकते हैं. इवन द इफेक्ट्स टू द टेक्स्ट हम यहाँ से डाल सकते हैं. देन देयर इज़ लेआउट ऑप्शन. लेआउट ऑप्शन के थ्रू आप अपने जो जिस द वे यू वांट टू कीप योर टेक्स्ट इन विच फॉर्मेट हम वहाँ से चूज़ कर सकते हैं. So this was all about presentation tools and Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope that you will use the substitutes of Microsoft PowerPoint to make your slides even more effective, because this is the era of using creative ways to persuade the audience, to persuade the students. Also, presentation tools are the part and parcel of life. If we do not have the knowledge about them, I don't think we'll be able to be a teacher of present times, because this is really very important to learn. Thank you.